The princess knew that beyond the shimmering waterfall lay the greatest adventure of all, if only she dared to look.
What do you think of this one, dear? It's so pretty. I love the lace. Look at all these beautiful dresses. Which one is your favorite, little one?
That blue one. It's just like yours. Mommy, look how sparkly everything is.
Yes, it's absolutely dazzling. Are you having fun? Look at this lovely bike.
Wow, I love it.
What do you think of this maroon one? It looks stunning on you.
Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. This lace dress just arrived today. It's beautiful. What do you think, sweetie?
I love it.